Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to my February 2023 IPSY Glam Bag unbagging. So this is another one of my beauty subscriptions. I get a lot of subscriptions monthly, and the IPSY Glam Bag here is the lowest tier, like least expensive IPSY Glam Bag, and I think the least expensive out of all the beauty subscriptions that I got. But I subscribe to all of the IPSY Glam Bag subscriptions, all of the BoxyCharm subscriptions. So far for the month, I've only gotten my BoxyCharm premium box, and I have that unboxing video up here on my YouTube channel. But so I'm waiting on my other IPSY Glam Bag and my other BoxyCharm base box, I believe it is. And so if you are into subscription unboxings as well, I would love for you to subscribe to my channel. And I'm excited to do like full face try-on videos as well based off of the products that I get in my subscriptions this month. But so let's go ahead and see what I got in the IPSY Glam Bag. Oh my gosh, I forgot about the design for this month's bag and I love it. I think this is so pretty. It's this like pink faux leather. It says self-love is the best love across the bottom here. And it's kind of this like paint, like spirally design. I just love the colors. And all of my products fit in the makeup bag. Let's see if I've got product information. Oh, no product information again. I didn't get product information in BoxyCharm. I don't think I got product information in last month's IPSY Glam Bag, which is kind of a bummer, but they do have an app where I can look up the retail value, product information, all of that. So let's see what I got. You know, you're supposed to get 5 products that have a value of over $50, and this bag feels so empty. Like I'm thinking I'm gonna have some really small products. I feel like I almost never get that $50 value in my IPSY Glam Bag. But let's see. Not too hopeful based off just the feel. Oh my gosh. Okay, this is so tiny. This is Amina Birthday Cake Mini Body Butter. I mean, it looks so cute. It kind of reminds me of that. I think the brand is Truly. They make like the unicorn body butter and stuff. So, oh my gosh, yeah, it smells a lot like that Truly unicorn one. Let's see if it's as firm. Maybe it's a little bit more buttery, which is good. Put a little on my hand for now. Oh, wow. Yeah, that has some shine to it, like almost a glossiness. That's pretty. And I love a sweet scented body product. I just know like I'll probably get like 1 or 2 uses out of how small this is. But cute packaging, cute product. Next, I've got from the brand The Beauty Crop Vitamin Babe Skin Loving Foundation. Okay, I love getting to try out foundations. This is formulated with red orange extract, buildable medium coverage, cruelty-free, vegan. Yeah, I'm excited to try this out. Next, oh, from Carmela Cosmetics, cute packaging here. Ooh, I love the look of this. A little eyeshadow duo with a matte brown and then a shimmery kind of brown champagne type shade. I love these 2 shades of eyeshadows, definitely go-to shades for me. So I'm excited about this duo and I love trying out eyeshadows. Ooh, another similar size palette. I think this is too small to consider it a palette. Ooh, and this is from Ciate London, a brand that I seem to be getting more and more often now in my beauty subscriptions, and I was already getting it pretty often, but I do like the brand. This is Glow 2 Illuminating Blush in the shade Matchmaker. Ooh, very cute. I believe I have tried out a blush from Ciate London like this before, but I love a glowy blush, and we'll see how this shade will look on me, but I also love trying out blushes. So this actually, as far as products that are well curated to me, that fit my preferences. This is off to a pretty good start because I like that it's been all makeup products that I'm excited to try. Plus the one skin body care type product is one that I'm also excited about. Even though it's small, it's definitely a product that I probably would have even purchased on my own. And then the final product in here, can't really tell from this packaging. Whole Lotta Mascara. I guess the brand is BFC. Well, I'm excited to be finishing with a mascara. So, wow, yeah, 4 makeup products and all makeup products that I love to try, like some of my top favorite types of makeup products. So eye, foundation, blush, and mascara. Thank goodness it wasn't like, you know, an eyeliner because I don't love to get eyeliners. But this is actually a really well curated bag. I'm excited about every single product. I'll do a quick recap and definitely let me know in the comments down below if you've tried any of these products. But I think this is going to make a really good kind of full face try on video because this is going to be a lot of fun to put together. So I got the Beauty Crop Vitamin Babe Foundation, the Ciate London Glow 2 Illuminating Blush, the Amina Birthday Cake Body Butter, the Carmella Cosmetics Eyeshadow Duo, and the BFC Mascara. So $50 value. I mean, I feel like I'm closer to that value with this bag than I have been with others, but mostly I'm just really glad to see that this really does seem like it listens to my preferences. They followed my quiz, which is something I've complained about in the past, but this is a bag that I am happy with. So thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in my next video.